Tasdir is a digital platform developed to help Jordanian companies evaluate their readiness to enter international export markets. Jordanian small and medium enterprises often face a major challenge when trying to export. They do not have a clear way to measure whether they are actually prepared. Without a structured evaluation process, companies risk entering global markets unprepared, which leads to failed certifications, wasted resources, and missed opportunities. Tasdir was built to solve this problem. The platform was developed in partnership with Jordan Exports and Tasdir Management Consulting and was designed specifically for the Jordanian export context. The assessment inside Tasdir is organized across 5 main pillars. The first is product performance, which evaluates whether the company's products meet international standards and certification requirements. The second is market performance, which looks at how well the company understands its target export markets. The third is management and organizational performance, which assesses leadership commitment and operational structure. The fourth is financial performance, which examines the company's financial stability and readiness to handle export operations. The fifth is digital transformation and e-commerce readiness, which measures how digitally capable the company is for competing in global markets. During an assessment, the consultant answers a series of targeted questions for each pillar, scoring each one from 1 to 5 based on what they observe from the company. Once the assessment is complete, the system automatically calculates an overall readiness score and classifies the company into one of 3 levels: export ready, developing, or not ready. The results page presents a radar chart that visualizes the company's performance across all 5 pillars at once, making it easy to identify strengths and weaknesses immediately. Below the chart, the system displays the top scoring areas and the priority gaps, each with specific action recommendations attached. One of the key features of the platform is the AI-powered recommendation section. Using Google Gemini through the OpenRouter API, the system generates tailored guidance for every identified gap, grounded in expert reference sources provided by the consulting team. This gives companies specific practical steps to follow rather than generic advice. Finally, the platform generates a complete professional PDF report that can be shared directly with the assessed company. The report includes the overall score, the radar chart, the full pillar breakdown, the strengths and gaps analysis, the action plan, and the AI-generated recommendations, all in one document. Tasdir brings together structured methodology, automated scoring, and artificial intelligence to make export readiness assessment faster, more consistent, and more accessible for Jordanian businesses. It transforms a traditionally manual consulting process into a smart, scalable digital solution that supports Jordan's national export strategy